Hi guys! Today we are going to fix the iPhone not vibrating for calls issue. First, unlock your iPhone so we can access the settings. Make sure your phone is on the home screen and ready because we need to go into the settings next. This is the simple first step to start troubleshooting. Now, open the Settings app from your home screen. Once inside, scroll down carefully because the option we need is a bit further down. This is where all the sound and vibration settings are managed. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you can control ringtone, alerts, and vibration settings for your phone. This is the main section to fix your vibration issues. Next, tap on Ringtone and look for the Haptics option at the top of the screen. Tap on Haptics to make sure it's enabled. Also, ensure that a standard ringtone is selected so the vibration can work properly. If it still doesn't work, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down to Physical and Motor gives Tap Touch Gives, then make sure the vibration toggle is turned on. This ensures your phone can physically vibrate for calls and alerts. If the issue still persists, restart your iPhone. Most of the time, this solves any lingering software glitches that prevent vibration. After restarting, test your phone by calling it to confirm vibration is working. And that's it. Your iPhone should now vibrate for calls without any issues. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.